This is cool, you. How is this cool? Avery, shut up.
It's broke. You guys, we might want to get out.
There's a lot of them.
These are low clouds.
Avery, if you're so scared of shit, that's just.
Pretty big, ain't it? That's pretty big.
It looks like a house.
Oh, God.
It's going back out.
No. No, it's not raining.
That could be Danny's house.
Danny's house is over there.
We'll see Danny's house. We'll see Danny's house.
Mom, but all of those clouds are gathering.